Hey guys, good morning. How are y'all? I am feeling a little better. I ended up having to go to the doctor because I just could not shake it. They told me I had a sinus infection and gave me antibiotics and all the good junk. So I am back to kind of feeling like a person again. My head was all over the place. I could not focus on anything. It was even scary to drive just because my equilibrium was off. So, where we are at today is in my son's room that moved out, the one that is a band director. And so when he moved out, he took all the furniture with him except for the very heavy piano over there that will probably live here from now on. But we bought some new furniture to go in here, and we bought it from Ashley's. And all we did was buy a bed and a little side table. I didn't think that we really needed a dresser, since this was going to kind of be just an extra room for guests that may come, my mom and dad, or just whoever that needs to stay. So what my thoughts are in this room is going to be native. And the reason why I picked that is because my husband is, he's Indian, and I don't know how much, the percentage and all that kind of stuff, but his mother passed away 5 years ago, and her name is Swanee. And so, of course, she was more Indian than he is, but she was a painter and a very good one. So I'm going to show you a picture that's over here hanging on the wall, and that's kind of my inspiration for this room. I'm going to ask for y'all's help because I've never really decorated in a native theme, but I want it to be kind of like a native boho farmhouse, if you kind of know where I'm going with that. So I bought some sheets and a bedspread to go on this bed, and I got it from Target. So I'm going to show you what it looks like, and we'll do this bed, and then I'll show you that picture to kind of show you my inspiration, and then I'm going to ask for y'all's help to kind of guide me in the direction I should go with this room. So I'm going to show you what I've got, and then we'll put it on the bed. Okay, I got the sheets and I've already put them on, but they are a striped color, kind of the same color as the bedspread. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of an olive green color. I got them at Target. They were $23.99. And then I got this, it's a quilt. It says raw edge quilt, and it's an olive color as well. But I like the rugged look of it. It was $70. And then I bought the pillow shams, and they were $20. And then I got a throw to throw over the end of it. I liked it because you see these little, I don't know what you call these things, but this was $34.99. And then the last thing I got for this bed, I got 2 of these pillows, and I love them. Aren't they just beautiful? They were, let me see how much they were. They were $29.99 a piece. I got my receipt over there. So I bought 2 of them to go up at the head of the bed. So let's get this on and see what it looks like. All right, guys, I got the bedspread on, and when I opened the sham, there was only one in there. So guess what? I'm gonna have to go buy another one now. So it was one for $20. So this isn't going to be completed yet because I've got to put this in and then get another one. But so let's go ahead and put the pillow in. Hate when that happens. All right. So we're just going to put one in the middle for now, just like that. I really like the looks of this. I like the rugged little edges that it has on it. Take these tags off of here. There's one. Good grief. Once I get the other pillow sham, it'll be better. Now we'll put the quilt on. The quilt. So many tags. This is so pretty. I love this. Look at that. I'm just going to kind of droop it off of the edge. Let's see. Figure out how I want to droop it off the edge. I definitely want these little things to show. Okay. Pretty cute. I think once I get my other pillow sham, it'll look a lot better. Then I can kind of make it go like that. Then I'll find some more pillows to put up here. Oh well, that's the way it's gonna be for now. Let me show you this picture over here. This is the picture that my husband's mother painted. Isn't it beautiful? Of an Indian woman. You see, she signed it. She signed it right there. She painted it in 1981. But isn't it beautiful? We had it framed at Hobby Lobby. But I just love it. So this is the inspiration for this room. So I've got to figure out what we're going to put on these other walls. We have a breastplate. This is what me and my husband made together. It's called a breastplate. And we framed it in some barn wood. Took us like forever to make this thing. But we made it probably about 10 years ago. And it's got a lucky horseshoe in it. But that's the only other thing that's in this room right now. See, it's all empty. We have this. It was hanging on the wall, and it was something that my husband and his mom did together. It's very heavy. So I don't know if I want that back on the wall or not, because I told him it's so bulky. But we'll see. And then we'll get some curtains to put on this window. So this is what it looks like for now. I'd like suggestions and what you think I ought to do, where I ought to go with it. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. Starting next week, we're going to start putting the bunnies out and getting ready for spring. So I know this one is kind of short, but I've got a lot going on around here that I've got to tend to, so I know this is a short video. Wasn't a very exciting video, I'm sorry, but Y'all have a great weekend, and I will see y'all next week. Bye-bye.